Today's thought for Thursday is all about a camera bag and what happens if you lost it. How would you track it? How would you find it? You probably would retrace your steps and stuff, but what if there was an easier way to do this? And so just this past weekend I got this Peak Design Everyday Sling 3 liters, and I had my Z7 II with the 40mm attached to it with the 24-200 on the other side. And so if I accidentally leave this bag behind for whatever reasons, I want to be able to find it. I want to be able to quickly track it and make sure I know where it is. And so that gave me an idea, which is using an Apple AirTag. So the biggest challenge I had using this Apple AirTag was trying to find a place in the bag that was a little well concealed, because Peak Design doesn't have anywhere that you could actually put an AirTag, not yet at least. And so I looked around and everywhere was too conspicuous except for one spot, which is right here on the back. And this is where basically you stuff the excess cord from your shoulder strap into these areas. And they fit an AirTag perfectly. Just drop it in there, give it a little shake so it gets down on the bottom, push it down there so that it won't come out easily. Tuck your cord back in, and you can't even tell that there's something in there. And so if someone was to take this bag from, say, a bench I was sitting on when I didn't notice, and they looked at it, inside of it, they would never find my AirTag. So one of the nice things about these AirTags, with exception to them being fairly small and easy to conceal, is the Find My app on your iPhone. And so basically it will show you on a map how far away you are from any specific AirTag you have registered with your iCloud account. Once you get within about 30 feet or so, it will actually switch a display to a almost compass looking like icon that will tell you to go 6 feet to the left, 3 feet to the right, and it will literally get you on top of this AirTag. And so that's kind of today's thought for Thursday, which is how to track your camera gear just in case you lose it. So I hope you found this information somewhat helpful, and maybe you'll go out and get yourself some AirTags if you're an iPhone user. If not, there is also another product that's similar called Tile, and you can check that out. I think there is a subscription fee with Tiles, but I'm not 100% sure. But I appreciate you watching, and please come back next week for another Thought on Thursday.